Die Vorhat die Geschichte und Tradition von Performance-Motorrädern in ihrem Blut. Sie ist der Inbegriff von Emotion, Leistung, Geschwindigkeit und einzigartigem Design. Technology abounds with a plethora of alphabet soup acronyms that boil down to a lot of electronic controls that bridle the scary power of the F4RR. You may not be scared, but someone who loves you will be terrified. Among them are 8-level traction control, electronically assisted shift and ABS along with ride-by-wire and 4 engine maps that control throttle sensitivity, torque, braking, the rev limiter and engine response, so you can dial in the controls specifically to suit you and your riding conditions.